Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste.
I'm the king of rock, there is none higher. Sucker MCs should call me sire. To run my kingdom, you must choose fire. I won't stop rocking till I retire.
Now we rock the party and come correct. All sets are on time and rhyme connect. Got the right to vote and will elect. And other rappers can't stand us, but give us respect. I wanna rock.
Over now, and it came to pass. The rock and roll was born. Love was land, every rock and band going up the stone. And the guitar man got famous, the business man got rich, and everybody was a superstar. It was a singing rich. Let me rock. You know what I want. I love rock and roll.
Riders on the storm, riders on the storm. Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan. Riders on the storm.
And the music was good and the music was loud.
Their problems. Everybody says the same thing to you. It's just a matter how you solve them, and knowing how to change the things you've been through. I feel I've come to realize how fast life can be compromised. Step back to see what's going on. I can't believe this happened to you. This happened to you. It's just a problem that I'm faced with. Am I not the same thing to you. It's just a matter how you solve them. But what else are we supposed to do? Part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel so insecure. Part of me won't agree, 'cause I don't know if it's for sure. Suddenly, I don't feel so insecure anymore. Why do things that matter the most never ends up the way we chose? Now that I find no way so bad, I don't think I knew what I had. Why do things that matter the most never ends up the way we chose? Now that I find no way so bad, I don't think I knew what I had.
Testing our reality, check if there's a weak spot. Clinging to insanity, hopes the world will ease up. Try and make it look like it's all summer getting better. 'Cause I know how to play it pretty good against the measure. Everyone started out a little insane, but we learned pretty quick how to fake it for the game. But some of you never learned to drop the act, so under that skin of yours a heart attack. 'Cause everybody's so scared, we don't wanna go there. We don't wanna make a move, we got our lives to lose. Living in the dark while we just play our part. I'll play right along like I don't know what's going on. Somebody make a move, somebody make a move. Please somebody make a move. We all know what's going on. And if I had the answers, I'd have written them out so I can tell you what to